So there I definitely see the inefficiency. In the lion gazelle case, there's also an argument to be made that, well, actually it is symbiotic. It only seems kind of destructive on a surface level, but they're like co-adapting, and the lions are actually, they're gonna get the kind of weaker ones, and that helps the evolution, and kind of, they're embedded in this whole ecosystem. And so there, I think it's a bit more complex.
It's complex, yeah. And also, like, this competition and this evolution is a whole lot of shebang for nothing, if you really think about it. Like, I mean, you could argue, hey, I value that we have evolution and that things are changing and adapting. But if you had a system where you would just be cooperating, right, then, well, that would probably also be somewhat stable. Like, I mean, of course, how would you stabilize the system, etc., right? There are some questions to this, but I would just guess, without knowing, that you can probably create stable evolutionary systems without violence. But I don't know, actually. So that's an interesting question to also ask.
There's also a thought that came up around like the asymmetry between what it takes to, grow a gazelle, right? Or kill it, right? There's an asymmetry. Like, building is more expensive than destroying. And then for sure, like if there's a case of, like the entire gazelle populations, the entire species just gets eradicated, well, that seems bad. But then if there's this co-evolutionary pressure and the threat of the lions just make the gazelles evolve basically faster and like have like a stronger orientation to whatever fitness means in their environment, well, then that seems there's like a function in there as well, right?